Hello ladies and gents, here I am with Gateway with a view. And the pointless gateway it is. Right, I'm going on this old Himi here. I'm in North Devon, for those of you who don't know. I'm going to go and explore North Devon, UK, England, Great Britain, Europe, the world. And my name's Epic Adam. That's what I was thinking about, is kind of like bikes defining what you do, and then what you do defining. Oh, there's a car coming. Stop, stop, I'll go there. And what you do defining what bike you want, and it's just a vicious circle. Not vicious, it's quite a nice circle. Whoa, skiddy skiddy. So for example, if I didn't have this Himalayan, I wouldn't go down this down this road. And it's because I'm going down this road, I'm kind of thinking I need a Himalayan. It's like what came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't know, but where am I going? What was that car doing down here? They were probably bricking it, but that's some pretty good timing, to be fair. I feel like I'm gonna getting second gear out of my bell end. I feel like I'm heading towards off-road territory. Oh my gosh, that car came down here. Okay, looks like it's my first time. Oh fuck, oh shit, sorry about language. Looks like it's my first time off-roading. Ladies and gents, it's an accidental discovery. It's a good time to mention that I've put the wrong oil in my bike and I've slightly overfilled it. Just checked it, it seems fine. How do you do this? Do you just keep on riding? Oh, okay. Alright, stop for a sec. Lift my visor, because it's tinted visor and looks very dark. You're still on, you're really low, so you're probably going to die soon. Hopefully I'm not. Let's just go, I've got the right bike for it. That's a bit of an anticlimax. Thought that was going to go into more off-road territory. Skidding a little bit. Pumped my tyres up the other day. Yesterday, don't know if that helps or not. Feel like I'm just leading to someone's house. Maybe there's an easier way out. There's bound to be. Right, let's get some speed up. Let's avoid that. Or not. It looks like a version of a road. Huh. Where the flip? I know where I am. This is my favourite thing to do, especially since having a Himalayan. It's exploring. Just because I know that this is, like I've said about a million times, this is capable of so much more than I'm capable of. I think it's quite confidence inspiring. Oh, a bridge! Bridge! Oh, little. Oh, sheepies! Sheepies! Hello! Hello! This is a two-way road. You can get lorries coming down here, buses. Around here, because there's a military camp just over yonder, over there. Could even possibly get a tank. And believe it or not, I have ran into an army tank going down a road like this. If I can, I'll show you the clip now. It's back in the days when I had a Sentis SP125. Alright, ladies and gents, boys and girls, hello, 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 anyone in between, thanks for watching. See you on the flip flop. Ciao for now.